Hi guys!
Hi!
We are back. We haven't shoot any videos for you lately, but we are back and we would like to show you how to test the pH level on the garden. So if you want your garden looks so beautiful, like Anita's garden, I just came to visit her.
Hi!
I just came to visit her and her garden is amazing and we're gonna test the pH level, which is you have to do those, I think, once a week.
Once a week, absolutely. I do it every weekend. So this week I didn't do it yet. Today is Sunday. Perfect day to do it.
Perfect.
So let me show you what we need. So
we have the chart.
we have the chart. It's gonna tell you by the color what pH level it is. It has to be between 5.5 and 6.5.
Okay.
You put the water right here.
How much water do you have to put in that little thing?
I'm actually not sure. I do it halfway usually, and I put 5 drops.
Okay, so you put 10 milli.
Yeah.
Okay,
Usually.
and then how many drops from the
5 drops.
5 drops from the pH level tester?
And let's see how is my pH
Okay,
level.
let's see the pH level. I'm really curious because her greens are amazingly beautiful. She had actually the outdoor one. I have the indoor one in my home, and this one could be indoor as well because she have lights on it. Mine a home garden, and I have completely indoor one. So we're testing the level now. Hold on, you guys.
The water
I'm
just
gonna
started.
bring the camera a little bit closer so you guys see how's
I'm
the
gonna
level
come up
looks like.
here. So let's see the color.
So we need 5.5
Or
and
6
or
or 6.5.
600 or 605.
I guess this is
605.
this color, 5.5.
So she have the 5.5. Amazing! She have the perfect
This is
pH
perfect.
level.
This is perfect.
This
right?
is how her greens look so beautiful. Oh my god. So what do you have in here, Anita? Because these are like gorgeous. I mean,
I love the
This
taste
bush.
and the color. They look amazing. So I have the basic stuff here. I have the lettuce, I have the basil, I have spinach, I have kale. You know, those yummy things you can actually eat every single day. And so I had my garden outside last year, and then this year I just brought it inside. I put the lights on, and they grow beautifully. I think I planted them in the middle of January, and now it's the middle of March.
yeah.
Right?
And
2
it's
months.
already 2 months and look at the
And
beautiful.
we have been eating off the garden every day.
So here we go, guys. We tested the pH level, and this is just very important for you to make sure that you have the right pH level so your greens are growing beautifully.
Because the pH level is perfect.
Exactly. So we see you. Yes, you wanted to say something?
Yes, let's check out our YouTube channel, right?
Oh, absolutely. We always forget about that because you guys just watching the video, but we never share you actually our link and our YouTube channel. So you can please follow us and sign up. If you click the link below, then you can get to the website, and from the website you can buy the garden.
Absolutely.
So we see you guys very soon.
On the next video.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.